According to Hindu yogic philosophy, chakras are energy centers that run up and down the body. There are 7 chakras that fall along the spine: the root chakra, the sacral chakra, the solar plexus chakra, the heart chakra, the throat chakra, the third eye chakra, and the crown chakra. Some people believe that chakras can become blocked, causing different physical and emotional problems, and that meditation can help unblock them. To meditate on your chakras, find a quiet, comfortable spot and sit with your legs crossed and back straight. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to relax. Then focus on one chakra at a time, starting with your root chakra and working your way up. As you focus on each chakra, try picturing it in your mind. Imagine energy moving and flowing through it. Once you've meditated on one chakra, move on to the next. After going through all of them, visualize the whole chakra system in your body and imagine energy flowing from your root chakra all the way up to your crown chakra. When you're finished, slowly open your eyes and note how your body feels.